a potato powered watch. First, the materials you will need will be
Two potatoes.
2 copper plates, 2 zinc plates,
and a LCD watch and a connection wire.
so let us begin. You might be wondering where I got these materials from. I bought this box called Enviro battery and I got the materials from this. It's a very nice kit. You can make potato batteries, a chip song and many more things. Coming to the experiment, you might not need potatoes. You can use any other fruit, example lemon or apple. So let us begin. So first you must take 1 potato, put the copper in both of these potatoes. So let me put it. Put it more in so that there will be more power. You will see that there is some juice coming out. Then put your zinc inside. It will look like this. So your both will be like this. Now you need to take the watch, which is like this, and take the red wire, which is positive, and put it inside the copper plate. Then take the black wire, which is negative, and put it inside the zinc plate. In this kit, the copper plate already had 1 hole, so we are putting it inside there and then twisting it. Just like this. You might be thinking the watch is not lighting up. But to make it light up, you need a connection wire like this. You need to take 1 connection wire and put it into the copper and the other into the zinc. Bring the potatoes close because this connection wire is a bit small. And then twist it. And do the same with the other one. You will see that by the time when you put the zinc and the copper, you will see that the watch lights up. You can see. So now you have seen that you can make electricity out of potatoes.
Remember to wash these plates.
Hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you.